In this video, I'll guide you through how to paste with formatting in Google Docs. If you've ever copied text from somewhere else and pasted it into a document only to have it lose its style or look different from the original, this tutorial is for you. We'll walk through a simple way to bring text into Google Docs while keeping its original appearance so it looks just like it did in the source. Let's start with the very first thing you need to do, copying the text. Go to the place where your text currently lives. This might be a web page, another Google Doc, a PDF, an email, or a different word processor. With your mouse, click and drag over the section you want to copy until it's fully highlighted. You can also use your keyboard to select text, for example, by holding down Shift and using the arrow keys to expand your selection. Once your text is selected, copy it. The most common way is to use the keyboard shortcut. Press Ctrl and C together if you're on Windows or Chrome OS, or Command and C if you're on a Mac. You can also right-click the highlighted text and choose Copy from the menu. At this point, the text is stored in your clipboard, which means your computer is temporarily holding on to it so you can paste it into another location. Now it's time to move into Google Docs. Open your web browser and go to Google Docs. You can open it from your Google Drive, from the Google Docs homepage, or by opening an existing document link. If you want to paste into a brand new document, create a new blank document and wait for it to load. If you're working in an existing document, open that file instead. Once your document is open, click in the exact spot where you want the copied text to appear. This might be at the very beginning of the document, at the end of a paragraph, or between two existing sections. Make sure you see the blinking cursor in that location. This tells Google Docs that this is where the paste action will happen. Now you're ready to paste with the original formatting. On your keyboard, press Ctrl and V at the same time. This shortcut tells Google Docs to paste the content from your clipboard directly into the document. Unlike some special paste options that match the surrounding style, this method keeps the formatting from the original source. That means things like bold or italic text, headings, colors, links, lists, and even certain spacing or fonts are preserved as closely as possible. You should now see the text appear in your document looking very similar to how it looked where you copied it from. Take a moment to scroll or read through what you just pasted. Check that elements like titles, bullet style structure, or hyperlinks have come through the way you expect. If something doesn't look right, you can always undo the paste with Ctrl and Z, then try copying again to make sure you captured exactly what you wanted. That's all there is to it. By copying your text first, opening Google Docs, placing your cursor, and using Ctrl plus V, you can quickly paste content while keeping its original formatting intact. This simple shortcut saves time and keeps your documents consistent, especially when you're pulling text from multiple sources into one place.